Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and we just finished another crawl space, and we're going to take you guys through this one. It's a little bit tighter than a lot of the other ones that we're in, but that didn't make any difference. So, as you can see, we have insulated the rim band, and we've done a full mold remediation here, and we've installed our HydroSeal vapor barrier. This is blocking out all the moisture, and it is also controlling the temperature because it's a double insulated vapor barrier. We've wrapped all the columns so no moisture can come up from the ground, and we have a drainage system all the way around here. This is our closed contained drainage system. So it has a DOT approved soil separator fabric that allows 140 gallons of water a minute to per square foot to enter into the system, but keeps all the actual debris and everything out, and it doesn't allow the soil to migrate in the stone or the stone to migrate into the soil and get clogged up. So that part will be maintenance free forever. And so as you can see, the guys have done a beautiful job in here once again. I will look at posting some pictures up on a different post of the flex ducting and what it looked like before we started, how bad the water damage or the moisture in here really affected the ductwork, and it was extensive. So we replaced all those duct lines and everything as well. As you can see, the guys did a very good job on that. Come over here. There's our big workhorse, our HydroHero 1850, controlling the humidity. This is my first time in the crawl space since the guys wrapped this one up yesterday. So we'll make our way over there, see what the relative humidity is now. It was in the high 70s before. Guys finished this late yesterday. Again, there is that beautiful HydroHero dehumidifier. Absolutely the best. So we are already down to 51%. By the end of today, that should definitely be down at about 45% and be maintained there. Look again how nice this job is. So everything's sealed up, properly taken care of. If you guys would like your crawl space encapsulated, moisture problem solved, and breathing better indoor air quality, give us a call at 302-321-7077 or find us on the web at hydrohero.com. Thanks so much.